Life, yes people, me and my friend then they are cook some soup, chicken foot soup with chicken neck. So you are going to people wanting to subscribe, outside cooking, Jamaica cooking, they don't know so you cook on the street side, they don't know a thing go. Some of us want to stay tuned and just thumbs up that video yeah. And make me reach you much subscribe. I want to don't know a thing go people, you see it? Soup rich, don't you? See that we are cut up with pumpkin and things, you see what I say? You don't know a thing going on. Don't know people, so you don't know people wanting to subscribe to that channel right now, life way. Yeah man people just go and watch a view. You don't know a thing going on man. Outside cooking, Jamaican cooking. You don't know a thing go. Chicken foot soup with chicken neck and pumpkin and dumpling are going to pot, don't know a thing, so just go watch it cooking and don't know a thing go. I want to know like that video, I want to know subscribe, I want to know tell a friend and a friend, tell a friend and say go over Lifeway channel and subscribe to me think. I don't know, if more like you give me, I better for me. You don't know a thing go. That video you banging, banging live, banging. You don't know a thing go, I'm out.
Yeah, man.
Yes, people, you don't know a thing, don't know say Lifeway in there, outside. I cook some chicken foot soup and chicken neck. You see the soup look rich. Watch how we store it. We have a friend them outside cooking. One of the best cooking in the entire world. Not even stove can cook them a soup here. You see it? When me surrounding when I cook it clean. Look at me soup. Look at that. Look at that people. Look at that. Look how it's so pretty and rich with the pumpkin and everything in it. Watch how we are going to store it now. You see it? You see it people? Someone do not thumbs up that video and comment, like and share. Don't know anything go rich all the hot pepper in it. You don't know. So we are store it here now. Get up everything in it. You see it people? Outside cooking. Live.
Yeah, man.
No plate.
Share out and on, brother.
Yes
No,
people, we
that
are going to
big
share
bowl,
out here now. We don't know anything go.
Want a big bowl, man.
Yes people, live.
Someone have put a bit of food in your plate, brother. Oh, yeah, the man put more food in your plate, brother.
Can't get no more than that, King.
I mean, put more food in your
Can't
plate.
get no more than that. A whole heap of man there for eat, brother.
No, put food in the pot,
You
man.
can't get no more than that. Now watch how much food in your pot, brother.
No, man, that's the
A
thing.
whole heap of man there for eat, brother.
That's the thing,
You
said.
alone can't get 2 times or 3 times. You have to eat 1 time out of your pot, King.
Yeah, man. The man people, so they like and share, you hear that?
Say things, said people like, share and comment. And you don't know a thing go. Can't make to 10,000 subscribers.
Yeah, man, bang at this man.
A banger, live.
Man, take some share till you plate of food, man.
You have to wait, brother.
Ja. Don't know the things that people like, share and subscribe, you hear that? Don't know what say things that, man. Yeah. There are people in the battlefield, I say, you see me? Outside cooking people, I best this, no, man. You know? Yeah,
You
man.
don't know a thing of people outside cooking. You don't know all of our friends in the area cook and just go and marry yourself
Say
and
things
drink
that,
some
man.
soup.
Say things.
And we live as one because you don't know so
Unit.
one life we have now.
Yeah, man.
So we have to do the right thing. Life.
Alright, look at the
Live.
board. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's me one now, no dog.
See it people. See it there.
Sharp man.
See it people.
Sharp man.